Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Joshua Kelly with your Extremely Friday, the weekend of extremes, for February 21st, 2014. Today we begin our show by taking a look at the latest satellite analysis. As you can see, highlighted in the red area here is our comet head and our very strong storm system that's been pushing through, responsible for severe weather yesterday and again today. We look at northern Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, and southeast Canada as being the focus point of the heavier snow today. Well, we have showers extending from southeast Canada into New York and parts of Pennsylvania. Further south of that, from the mid-Atlantic to the Gulf Coast of Florida and into the Gulf of Mexico, we see a very strong, potent line of thunderstorms along the frontal boundary. This will continue to impact this region for the remainder of today as it slowly pushes off to the east-northeast and away from the United States. A second area that we're watching is a weak upper level that's pushing into the Rockies. This will be responsible for some light snow showers across the northern Rockies today and through parts of the weekend. A third system back over in the Gulf of Alaska we'll be paying attention to as it continues to move up to the east-northeast and around the high pressure area there, and could push into impacting the United States early next week. Alright, your extreme weather analysis for February 22nd, 2014, Saturday. High pressure will dominate a good vast majority of the United States from the plains to the east coast, while we have that pocket of upper level moisture over the Rockies that will provide some snowfall for places of Washington, Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. This area generally should see 1 to 3 inches, but there will be some higher totals in the higher elevations of 3 to 6 possible. We move into our extreme weather analysis for Sunday, February 23rd. We see that our pocket of snow shifts a little bit to the east and now is more centered around Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, and extending into western South Dakota, especially the Black Hills. Snowfall will generally range from 1 to 3 inches with a few higher pockets of 2 to 4 possible at higher elevations. A second area feature that we'll be watching is a warm front that begins to push north along the Gulf of Mexico. This will provide an area of enhanced convergence with showers and some isolated thunderstorms from Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, and across most of the panhandle of Florida. Expect to see rainfall in this area of 1 to 2 inches with some localized higher amounts. Severe weather should be limited, but still a few strong thunderstorms with gusty winds are very possible. That concludes your Extremely Friday for the weekend. I'm meteorologist Joshua Kelly for Dakota Weather Consultants. I hope to catch you back again next week. Thank you and have a great weekend.